In this video, we're going to look at one way of subtracting mixed numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the whole numbers. You then turn the mixed number at the beginning into a top-heavy fraction. You make sure you have a common denominator to subtract fractions as always, and then simplify if required. The reason I do it this way is that it avoids any negative fractions that you have to deal with, but there are other ways of going about doing it too. So, question 1, 4 1/4 take away 2 1/2. 4 take away 2 leaves you with 2 and 1/4 take away 1/2. So you've subtracted your whole numbers. Now we turn this first number, mixed number, into a top-heavy or improper fraction. 2 times by 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so you've got 9/4. 2 wholes is 8/4, and another one is 9/4. Take away 1/2. Next step, we need our common denominator. So we look at our denominators here, which are 4 and 2. Our lowest common multiple would be 4. So we don't need to do anything to that first fraction. The second fraction, we're going to multiply the denominator and the numerator by 2. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 9/4 take away 1 times by 2 is 2. 2 times by 2 is 4. You've got your common denominator, so we have 9/4 take away 2/4. So you subtract your numerators, you leave your denominator as it is. 9 take away 2 is 7/4, so we've got 7/4. Now, there's nothing to simplify, there's no numbers that go into both 7 and 4, but we do want to turn it into a mixed number to finish off. The question had mixed numbers in it, so we should put our answer into a mixed number too. How many 4s are in 7? 4 goes into 7 one whole time, and we've got 3 left over, so we've got 1 3/4. And that's your final answer. Okay, question 2. I'm going to use the same process here. So 5 take away 2 leaves us with 3, and 2/5 take away 3/4. Now we're going to turn this mixed number into a top-heavy fraction. 3 times by 5 is 15, and 2 is 17, so we've got 17/5 take away 3/4. Now this time our common denominator is going to be 20 as our lowest common multiple of 5 and 4. So we're going to need to change both fractions here. So we're going to multiply this one by 4, and what we do to the bottom, we do to the top. We're going to multiply this one by 5, and what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. And that will equal, okay, 17 times by 4. I'm just going to be careful and go and do a quick sum at the side. 4 7s are 28, 4 1s are 4, and 2 is 6. So we've got 68/20. Take away 3 5s are 15/20. We subtract our numerators, 68, take away 15 all over 20. And 68 take away 15, that's going to leave you with 53/20. And again, I can't think of any numbers that go into both 53 and 20. So how many 20s are in 53? Well, we've got 2 20s are 40. We've got 13 left over. So you've got 2 and 13/20. And you're done.